So today I am dropping off the van because I'm going to be letting the people over at Classic Designs switch over my seats from this kind of like cloth material seat to leather from Katzkin.
Dropping off the car at Classic Designs in Orlando. Look at all the beauty Katzkin offers, dropping it off the shop. The before and after.
Hey guys, so we just got the Caravan back from Classic Designs in Orlando, and as you guys can tell, something is different. Look at the seating. It looks amazing. It really livened up from the interior, as you guys saw. I'm really happy. I think if you guys are looking to change up your vehicle, Katzkin is where it's at. You can choose from different designs online and everything like that, so we're really happy.
You know what I mean by a kid's car. But I'm super excited for you guys to use my code NM100 to receive $100 off, and custom leather and financing is available, guys. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. I love having the van like brand new.